Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download files as PDF files on Canva. So what you need to do is click on share in the top right corner and then click on download over here. Now here you will find file type and you might have PDF standard as default, but you can also click on it and change to PDF print if needed, or if you have something else over here then you might be able to find file type PDF over here. So for instance, if I go to my another project and if I go share and download over here, then as you can see I have PNG suggested instead of PDF format. So what I can do is click over here on these file types and then I can find PDF formats over here. I have once again PDF standard and PDF print over here. I can select it and then all I need to do is press download. And then I'm gonna start downloading my file like so. If you want to again go to download, and if you choose as PDF format, then also you can save download settings in order to not having to, if you don't want to switch the file type every time you create a project, and if you always want to have it in PDF, then this is how you can set it up to always have PDF immediately. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.